Okay, we're good. Hey guys, sorry I haven't made any videos in a while. I've megabytes actually on my iPhone for the plan went out, so I couldn't make any videos. But it came back today, or yesterday actually, so I decided to make one. And basically telling you what's been going on. Choir's been going good, school's been going good, and it's almost summer. So there's going to be a lot of videos coming up over the summer. I made some new friends, and I'm just hoping to have a good time. And I hope you guys too, my viewers. I hope my viewers will have a very good time. What was that? Okay. I gotta go, you guys. Heard noise. I'll be back.